And Carol, do we need to put the heating on?
Well, for some of us, not this morning, Ben, but it is going to turn a bit cooler and fresher as we go through the next few days as the wind changes direction. Some of us are off to a beautiful start. Look at this picture from one of our weather watchers sent in from Lincolnshire this morning. Now, if you're stepping out to answer Ben's question a little bit more fully, you can see these are our latest temperatures. So it's only 12 degrees in Lerwick, but it's already 19 degrees in Birmingham and also in Cardiff and also London. What's happening today is we've got this weak weather front sinking south. Ahead of it, we hang on to the humid air. But behind this weather front, the wind veers to more of a northwesterly. So that is going to bring in some fresher air, which eventually will cross us all. But the weather front in the south is bringing some murky conditions this morning across parts of Wales, the Midlands, into the southeast with some spots of rain. But the rain dying away as it pushes into the far southeast. Now, behind that, there'll be a fair bit of sunshine, more so than yesterday, but some showers peppering Northern Ireland, Scotland and Northern England at times. Temperatures 21 in Aberdeen and Newcastle, up to about 27 in London and 29 in Norwich. And for the Commonwealth Games today, as we've already seen with Mike, it's a sunny start and we're going to hang on to more sunshine today than we did yesterday. Lighter winds as well, with highs up to about 24 or 25. Now, through this evening and overnight, there goes our weather front, pushing away, taking its cloud with it. There'll be some clear skies for some of England and Wales, but we'll have some heavier showers moving across Northern Ireland, eventually getting into Scotland and Northern England as they head eastwards. A fresher night tonight as well, much more comfortable for sleeping in than last night. So we pick up this weather front. It clears eastern Scotland, but you can see this cloud associated with it across parts of northern England and Wales, sinking towards the Midlands. Again, a few spots of rain in that. But tomorrow, if anything, there'll be more sunshine around than today. Fair weather cloud developing through the course of the afternoon and still a few showers peppering the far north of Scotland. But again, not all of us will catch one of those showers. Temperatures 13 to 25, so slipping down. We're all going to be in this change of air mass. We'll have more of a northwesterly, so it will feel that bit fresher. A lot of dry weather around on Friday. Again, we've got a little system just bringing some cloud and the odd spot of rain across the Midlands and Wales. Not much, it has to be said. It won't get into the southeast, where of course we do need it. And still one or two showers across the far north of Scotland, with temperatures 13 to about 25 degrees. And then as we head into the weekend, high pressure really starts to establish itself across southern areas. But look at the north of the country, especially Scotland. We've got weather fronts crossing, bringing in some rain. And here too, it will be windy at times. Now, some of that rain may even get as far south as Northern Ireland and Northern England, but most of it will be across the north and the west of Scotland. Here we're looking at temperatures 18 to about 20 degrees, come further south, and we're into sunnier skies and temperatures up to about 25. Now, yesterday I was telling you about how July has been the driest month on record since records began in southern England. Well, France has also seen some pretty dry weather. It too has had the driest July on record. Pictures supplied by NASA, of course, and the data from Meteo France. And it's also the second driest calendar month on record. And as well as that, there's only been 15% of the rainfall we'd expect during July. Now, is it going to remain hot? Well, you can see that we do have all the reds still across the near continent. We have them in our country too for a bit. But here's the key: colder or average is blue or white. As we head on in towards the weekend, things return to average or just below in terms of temperature. Ben and Victoria.
Carol, thank you. That was fascinating. And that NASA picture you had there really does. That's a current picture, isn't it? Of showing just
yesterday.
How dry it is.
Yes, from yesterday, Ben. Yes, it's incredible. You can see them too for southern England if you have a look. And especially so if you compare them to this time last year, or July last year with July this year. Last year it was looking quite green. This year it's looking quite brown.
Yeah, absolutely. Very different colour. That's been really interesting, Carol. Thank you. We'll be back with you a little later.
Thanks, Carol.